we have a question from exponents, and we'll try to solve part A and part B of this question, along with seeing which formula is applicable to solve this. Now, in part A, it says that we need to simplify 27 x to the power 6, and there is whole power we have 1 by 3. So if we were given AB and AB is raised to the power m, it can be written as a to the power m times b to the power m. The same we'll apply in the given question, that 27 x to the power 6 and m is 1 by 3. So we can write 27 to the power 1 by 3 times x to the power 6, and which is raised to the power 1 by 3. Now further, we can write 27 in a way which will cancel out the 3 from this power, 3 from 1 by 3. So 27 is nothing but 3 to the power 3. And now the powers will get multiplied, as if we have a to the power m whole to the power n, it can be written as a to the power m times n. And continuing with the problem, applying the same for x to the power 6 times 1 by 3, which will give us the solution as 3 and 3 gets cancelled out over here. We can cancel out the 6 with 3, which will give us the power as 2. So we get 3 times x squared. So the final solution for part A is going to be 3x squared. Now, moving to problem second, here we have 512 raised to the power negative 2 by 3, which is equals to 2 to the power p. So I'm going to interchange the values. I'll write 2 to the power p on the left hand side and the other value on the right hand side. What is the method we should apply here? Whenever we have to find the power and a base value is given, the base value we have is 2 for power p, we would try to make the base on the left hand side as 2 as well, so we can compare the power on both the sides. I can write 512 as 2 to the power 9. As 2 to the power 9 is equivalent to 5 to the power 12. So the power here is negative 2 by 3. This is 2 to the power p. Yes, we are going to get 9 divided by 3 will give us 3 further, as we multiplied the power 9 with negative 2 by 3. So we get 2 to the power negative 6, which is equals to 2 to the power p. Equating the powers as the base is same. So whenever we have a to the power m, which is equals to a to the power n, we can say that m is equals to n. So our solution for part B is going to be negative 6. Thank you.